Hey guys, so here's an easy way to think about bonding in chemistry. There's really only two types of bond that we talk about, the two categories of bond that we're talking about. It's bond within the molecule or bond between the molecules. So a fancy way of saying it is that within the molecules type of bond are intramolecular, and bond that is between molecules are intermolecular bond, kind of like international is between nation. Now the within molecular bond within molecules bond are generally stronger than the between molecules because these bonds are what made up the molecule in the first place. So usually we say it is a covalent bond, right? One molecule of water, a molecule of water with these things are called the bond that connect them, the intramolecular bond. Now, on the other hand, between molecules mean that you have more than one molecule. So, say you have one molecule of water over here, you have another molecule of water up here, and they have intermolecular bond, and in this case it is a hydrogen bond, that is this dash 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 bond between oxygen and hydrogen. Are there other intermolecular bonds? Yes, there are, but we didn't learn about it, and we actually don't have to. So just remember hydrogen bond. That's good enough. Okay, another example is in DNA. So let's say I have a nucleotide of DNA. If they don't say anything, that means that at each of these corners there's a carbon atom. Here, and these carbon atoms are, look, being connected by a covalent bond, a solid line. And now if I have yet another nucleotide, now the second nucleotide is going to be covalently attached with a solid line to the first nucleotide. Now because of this solid covalent bonding, two nucleotides are now become one molecule. So let's say I have a molecule of two nucleotides of DNA, and then I have another one upside down of the first molecule, and let's say this is a C, this is a G, this is A, this is a T, and they are they have hydrogen bonding with each other, right? Dot 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 dot, a bunch of hydrogen bonding with each other. So now one molecule, two molecules having hydrogen bond in between each other, intermolecules. Now sometimes people want to get fancy, and they said they put names to just the different covalent bond. So for example, you have one amino acid, and then they call that the peptide bond. Peptide bond, but really peptide is still a type of covalent bond. Or let's say I have one glucose, one sugar, covalent bond, making them one molecule. I can call it glycosidic bond. It is still a covalent bond.